welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you our huge grocery haul. We spent about $400. Most of it came from Sam's Club and then the rest came from Walmart, so I will show you that. We'll be doing the grocery haul today, so you want to show them what we got first?
Alright, first we have 2 things of Go-Go squirties.
Yum, the kids love those, so we had to stock up a lot on some snacks. What else is there?
So behind this pack of Go-Go squeeze we have Goldfish.
So we got some goldfish, go squeeze. And then we got a big bag of mozzarella. We also got a thing of salad. This was about $11.27. It looks so good, so we'll be eating that today.
And then we have one humongous bag of cheese.
I just said that one, baby. So we also got some avocados, and one of them cracked in the truck. So I'm gonna get that out. Hopefully it's still good. I don't think it is, but I'll be able to save the other ones. What else we got over here, babe?
So next we David got what he wanted, 36 pieces of cereal, and I got what I wanted, Honey Nut Cheerios, and then we got what he wanted, Frosted Flakes. So
we got some cereal. We're completely out of cereal. In the mornings, they're pretty independent with making their own breakfast, so they'll just get the cereals out themselves. We also got some lunch meat. We got some turkey breast, and then we got the Members Mark ham. We also got a 3-pack of bacon, some ricotta cheese, and these Jimmy Dean biscuits, sausage, egg, and cheese. The kids love eating these, especially the boys. They'll just warm these up in the microwave. Hold on, sweetie. And then this big pack of pork chops is, let me see, how much is this? So this is a 9.68 pounds, and it's $17.63, which is a good price because last week this was $28.
So next we got some, what's it called?
Meatballs.
Meatballs.
Okay.
And next we got some sharp cheddar cheese, tomatoes, and 2 things of these because near the end we have some peanut butter cups so we can dip the apples, and we only have, well, we did finish all the apples, so we have to get 2 more packs.
Yeah, so we got some sliced apples because they love apples and they like to dip it in peanut butter. Some cherry tomatoes, which these are so sweet. These are one of the best tomatoes I've ever had. Also a pack of
chicken breast.
That's right. This pack was $12.24, so it was $1.98 per pound. That's really good. A big bag of cauliflower rice, and I personally love cauliflower rice, but somebody I know does not. Will you try it for me, please?
I'll think about it.
Basically, I love it, and the boys will eat it. It's not their favorite, but they'll eat it. They're not that picky. And then I got a big bag of baking soda, and I use baking soda not just for baking, but I also use it a lot for cleaning. It's great for cleaning out the tub. You clean your oven with it. I even clean my washing machine with the baking soda, so it works amazing. So another thing we got is a large raw shrimp, the frozen kind, peeled, deveined, and tails off the way I like it. So there you go. Hold on, sweetie. A big bag of
some leaves.
Leaves? Is that leaves? What's that? Salad.
Salad.
Some greens. It's good for you.
Okay.
She's a picky eater, guys. So my absolute favorite coffee, Café Bustelo, and I love this coffee. And it comes with 2 of them in here. Because I have a Costco and Sam's Club membership. I like to go to Sam's Club because they have more of a wide variety. I love both places, honestly, but Sam's Club actually carries my favorite coffee, so that's where I got it from.
So next we have Jimmy D pancake and sausage. I normally eat those.
She absolutely is obsessed with these. We put this in the microwave for 1:30 and she'll have like 2 of these at a time. It's so good, you guys.
And next we got some cherry sweets.
They're very, very good. My husband loves these. And what's this, girlfriend?
This is what I picked out. The Oreo cookies, Chips Ahoy, and Golden Oreo.
That's right.
We got 2 things of mayo and Yo Plate Whip, which me and the boys were actually more for.
They were begging us for these real plate whips, and they're very good. They absolutely love it. I hope this lasts a while, but most likely it's just gonna last us maybe 2 days. Deuce is our favorite mayos, you guys. Comment down below which one is your favorite mayo that you like to buy. In the South, a lot of people like Duke's mayo. Some sausages for a recipe. Some provolone cheese for recipe. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you guys, now this part from here down will be Walmart. So we started with the mayo and the Yo Plate Whip. So now we're showing you the sausage, the provolone cheese. We have about 6 zucchini. Do you eat zucchini?
Yeah. No, wait, no.
You don't? What's wrong with zucchini?
I don't know.
She's such a picky eater. Some celery. What's this? Some prosciutto and mozzarella cheese in a roll. My husband loves this stuff.
And this is what it looks like on the front.
Sure.
Of course. And next we have some Jell-O.
Some Jell-O.
It's something that you make your cake with.
Okay, so my husband's birthday is this Saturday, July 11th. And I'm planning on making him like a strawberry cake. So that's why I had to get that. Okay, and I got 2 big things of vinegar. I go through vinegar really fast. I make my DIY cleaner with the vinegar. I love cleaning with vinegar, but I mix it with some rubbing alcohol. It works better, plus it doesn't smell so vinegary. So if you want the recipe before that vinegar, it's in my description box just in case you guys want to try it out. So I got 2 more of these, and I also wash my towels in vinegar because 1, it sanitizes your washing machine, makes the towels extra fluffy, and it kills that towel mildew type of smell. So it works great. And now we have
what I was talking about at the beginning, these little Jif to go creamy peanut butter, which we like to dip, which my mommy said.
Yes, they like to. I try to get stuff that they could just go in the pantry and get it themselves. So especially Destiny, so she don't have to ask everyone to go get it for her. So we got a ton of those. They're only like $1 something per pack. I got some chicken broth and beef broth. I like to keep those in the house. It's just a lot easier that way. And then Destiny is actually lactose, so we get her some lactate milk. The boys drink the organic milk. Okay, so the thing with the organic milk, they last a lot longer. So what's today's date? Like the 9th of July? Well, you see the expiration date on this? Not till September. They last a long time, and we don't have to rush through milk. So it lasts a long time in the fridge. So that's why we get the organic milk, and it has a different kind of taste. It tastes a lot better too. So we got that. My husband got the club crackers and then 2 big bunches of bananas. My kids can literally eat these bunches all in one day.
Mine. My banana.
So we got also some some Georgia peaches. These are so good. And they're nice. Oh, they're soft too. They're ready to eat. They're good. Oh, so cotton candy grapes.
We got 2 things of those and 2 things of strawberries.
They're pretty high, you guys. I can't remember how much this was, but they're very good. They're very good. They're very sweet, that's for sure.
And we got super berry from strawberries.
Super berry from strawberries.
I said super berries.
We got some strawberries, you guys. So I will be making my husband a strawberry cake, and then the rest I will just eat it because I love strawberries. So I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. Like I said earlier, we spent about $400. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye. Bye.